Hello, I'm Merit from mdqueenbee.co.uk, and today I'm going to show you how to make wax wraps. Wax wraps are a wonderful way of keeping your food fresh without the use of cling film. Here's some that I've made before. As you can see, I use them a lot, you can wash them with a nice warm sponge, and when they've run out of their waxiness, you can just refresh them in exactly the same way as I'm going to show you how to make them now. So as you can see, I do use my wax wraps a lot, and it really does cut down on using cling film and things like that. So what do you need? You need some little blocks of wax that you can buy from your local beekeeper, or you can get them on Amazon. They're about £1 an ounce. I'm going to use this big block of wax here that I've got. You need a cheese grater, breadboard, piece of natural cotton. This is one that I've decorated myself, but you can buy, as long as it's 100% cotton, you can just buy scraps from anywhere, John Lewis or your local little sewing shop. So, and you can cut them into any shape, any size. You need 2 pieces of grease-proof paper, tea towel, very hot iron, and an ironing board. So I'm going to begin by grating the wax. It's just like grating cheese, only an awful lot harder. But they do say if you put it in your freezer overnight, then it makes the job a lot easier. So here it is. I've got the breadboard, I've got the cheese grater, I've got the big block of wax, although as I said before, you'll be using these blocks of wax. And like I said, it's just like grating cheese, but harder. I have a whole box of this grated wax that I keep to make wax wraps, new ones, and when I want to refresh my old ones as well. So if you are going to get yourself into it, I really would recommend that you grate yourself up a whole load of it. I think you can buy it ready grated online as well, but I don't know, there's something nice about doing it from start to finish. I think so anyway. Okay, so I set up my ironing board like this. I put an old tea towel on the ironing board, followed by a piece of grease-proof paper, my cotton wrap. I then sprinkle that in wax, cover it in wax nice and evenly, like that. So easy. And then I put that on top and I start to iron it. So I'm now going to turn it over very carefully. Wax dries very quickly. I'm going to take this off, sprinkle some more wax over this, and iron this again. Popping my piece of grease-proof paper over the top. Okay. And honestly, it really is that easy. Just leave it for a few seconds. As I say, wax really does dry very quickly. And just peel it off like that, and there you have your lovely wax wrap. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you will go and make your own wax wraps. They really are better than using cling film, and they are reusable again and again. And when, as I say, when they get tired, like this one, you just do what I've just done there, and you can refresh them. Meanwhile, I'm going to use this